know what I
Yes,
mean?
sir.
Gramps is more of a mindset. It's like a... Wait, where's Radiv? Oh, Radiv said because he's old inside.
Hi, Miss T. Rain.
Yeah, I don't know when the Gramps thing actually fully started, but...
Because Cake is a young female who needed a role model. Rain the legend herself.
Add a little more of that tomato sauce, like half the remaining.
Full adamant gold trim set.
The
Whoever
other
said
half?
he's my role model weird.
Wait, how much did you say?
Add half of what's remaining in that pan and then mix it.
I'm not old, just cranky and cynical.
Oh, so just like a quarter? Like what would be a quarter? Because I already dumped half of it.
My role model is dead, but he lives in my memory. Vino is also a piggy.
Dude, this really looks like brownie
a
batter.
Shelly boy.
Wait, can I just dump the rest of it?
Versatile.
No, you're gonna do
Hey,
half and then
philosopher.
the last part. But
Okay.
do you want to mix it for like another minute or so, and then you're gonna add the rest, okay?
All right.
And Miss Tyrane Mare.
I'll hold back.
Was crazy this past Thursday. School is about to finish. Graduating in June, bitches. He is also aluminum boride. At our Ordive Jack of all trades, Jack in every trade.
Yo,
Grats kettle hell YEA.
stop jacking, dude.
EW.
What the hell are you jacking, Gramps? Yo,
We
Gramps,
know,
look at this,
do
dude.
not jack the babushkas or the pigs.
Yo, my old bay is holding up the batter right now.
I'm just stupid busy. I'm on autopilot.
You know about Old Bay, Gramps?
How you brain?
Living life on the edge.
That's not how you use
True.
jacking.
That's good, at least a big cowboy congrats.
Wide Bay.
Guess who just split their big toe? Meh.
On crippling Old Bay. Camel rain. My eye is still bloodshot from stream.
Wait, for real? Dude, Saren, when I was streaming with the big kettle that day, you know what the cinnamon challenge is?
Say it again when you were streaming on.
Bay.
When I was streaming with Big Kettle, like, do you know what the cinnamon challenge is?
Oh, jeez. Did you do that?
He did it. He did the cinnamon challenge and the G Fuel challenge back to
Okay,
back.
new ad. What do we want the topic of the new ad to be?
How did it
Pillow
go?
pets, my pillow.
He
pets,
cleared them
bracelets, or
What?
Old Bay containers don't need 5 ways.
Oh,
to open it.
seasick.
It's a sabotage.
Seasick, I need a Raid Shadow Legends ad. Give me a 30-second Raid Shadow Legends ad, Seasick. What the fuck is the G Fuel challenge? And when you scoop it, it's a scoop of G Fuel. Random.
One I ate, one I mixed with pill.
all right.
Wide raid.
This is so soft.
And the silly spoon. Young G Fuel. I got approved for a raid sponsorship like a month ago. At Alb1N0_W0LF grid. And I had the fuel at work